I'm going to be vlogging my aunt's bachelorette trip. I figured the best time to start recording is while I'm packing. I'm probably gonna pick this camera back up tomorrow morning when we head over to my aunt's house. I will see you guys in the morning. I'm up. We are at the airport. We're on the plane now. I have a window seat. Look how big our plane is. Is she slumped? She is slumped. Here we are in Mexico. We're on the shuttle to go to our resort. We are here now. Let's give you guys a little look at the surroundings. Wow. So we have a passport mayhem, but right now we are in the resort. Right now we're in the resort and it's so beautiful here. This is everybody. We are on our way to our rooms now. Hi. Hola. Go. Oh my god, it is so
this is ours?
Pretty in here.
Oh.
We have to give a room tour. Bruh.
It's yeah, okay.
Wow. Oh, we can jump into somebody else's pool. Who is it? Hey guys, welcome to our humble abode for the next 4.5 days. What would you even call this?
Our mailbox.
Yeah, this has access to the outside. Peekaboo! So that they can give us room service or like refills. This area is the coffee and snack area. It has coffee, water, ice bucket, coffee mugs, and down here is the snack center. There's alcohol, soda, water, orange juice. Next up we have our closet. There's a safe in here, a scale. Okay, that's our closet. Here's our toilet. And then over here we have dual sinks. Some towels down here.
Oops!
There's a hairdryer. Over here is the big boy. Come on in. We can fit 20 people. We can fit 30 people in here. Come on. Let's see. Look at the ground.
This is great footage. This is great footage.
Audio in. So if you don't want everyone to see you in the room, there's a little curtain.
That only covers that part.
This part. Like, I could just be like, hey. Here's our little love seat couch and our coffee table. Here's the bed. This side is my side, and this side is Jocelyn. Oh wait, what is this? Oh wait, we can adjust the lighting right here.
Yeah. No, it changes behind you.
Oh. Let's come over here to this cute little seat. I really like this couch. It's like a square couch. And then out to our beautiful balcony. Here's our beautiful balcony tub. We can take naked bathtub video. Out here. Ooh, ah.
Oh. Bro, it has a jacuzzi thing. What is this?
Oh shoot. Oh, this is our beautiful view. We can see other people's swim up pool. We can jump in it. That's it for the tour. I don't know what we're gonna be doing next. Probably showering and getting our luggage, but yeah. Yay! So we're done like getting ready and everything. We unpacked some of our stuff and now we're gonna go get some lunch with the rest of the girls. Oh. We have to find everybody else. We asked them like where the lunch is, but has anybody replied? I don't think anybody's replied. Look how pretty. We found them. Here's what I'm eating. Hi everybody. Hola. I wanted to show you guys my desserts because they're really cute. I have a green donut. It looks like a matcha donut, but it's not a matcha donut. We have this chocolate looking one. Look at it, sprinkles. Donut.
I'm dead.
Now we have our mini flan. Ooh. Jiggle. Look at it. That's it for Kayla's food review for today.
First drink of the night.
Look at this little pretzel bar. How cute. We just finished eating, so now we're gonna go back to the room and probably change into our bathing suits and then meet up everybody at my aunt's room. Oh, it's recording. That's so cute. We're all grabbing our baggies. Look at mine. Okay, as you guys saw, we just got surprised by the maid and matron of honor with some gifts. Now we're all gonna go to the pool. Ooh. Ooh. We are now at the pool. A lot of lounging areas. Here's Jacqueline. Jocelyn and I chose this cute little cabana. They have these nice like seats in the sun. It's right by the pool, but it's also by the beach right there. The sun feels really nice right now. Like it doesn't feel like sunburned sun.
It's like sunset sun.
Okay, we're gonna relax. My camera died while we were out there, so we're charging it now. We just came back to the room to freshen up and now we're gonna go back outside and take some pictures. I have to talk a little bit louder because the GoPro doesn't have the best audio. We're in the middle of this pool on some beds, I guess. Hi. 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 Hi, bride. We're done at the pool now. This quality is gonna be really bad because I'm on my iPhone. Right now we're gonna go back to the room and get ready for dinner. We were taking really good pictures in the cabana. They look really nice. We'll catch you back up when we get back in the room. We're in the middle of walking back to our room, but I just wanted to show you guys this really pretty sunset. It's dinner time. We just finished getting ready and everything. They told us it was a 45-minute wait for dinner, so we're like, now we're taking our time.
And we obviously got carried away.
Yeah, we're literally sitting on an ottoman. Everybody go, head over and wait with them. Okay, I'm back in my room. Now we're gonna go to sleep and tomorrow is a really long day. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Will we walk down the same road? Will you be there by my side?